So this is fifth task of OSS Infobyte, where I have made a very basic chat application. This is the server side code where I have this port. This is the limit. Okay, so I have set a basic limit. Then this is a basic code. I have take some of the reference for this code. Okay, then this is the client side code. This code is made by me. Okay, where I have implemented this of the library. This I need to implement. It is left to implement emojis and all, like an proper chat app. This is a code. This is the error. If any error, we can also upload, but some of the implementation is still left. Then we can upload from an one user, and second user can download it. So this is the layout size. This is the all basic GUI which I have made. Okay, so first we need to run the server side code. So here the server is running, then we have to call the client side. So this is how client is running. Here we can say any name, Jason. For example, a Jason has joined. Okay, so a chat app, so two of the person can talk. So this is it. These are two person talking to each other. First Jason, and this is we can say Hunter. Okay, so two person has joined. See, it is updating. Okay, here we can say hi, then hi is sent to here. See, both are interacting. We can see if this Jason is saying WhatsApp, how, so it is showing on both screen. Or we can here upload the things, but I have not made it perfectly, so I have to see it afterwards. But this is the task where I have completed the base browser based chat application. So this is it. Is it good?